My personal friend,
It's 3.5 years for us to come.
Sorry, we won't be able to meet because it was very tight for me. Very, very tight. In fact, I said to the boss, it will be tight and time when it's okay.
We don't doubt what you can do. I was showing when you were commissioned, I said, see him. They were like, wow, there are too many projects.
Oh, I'm not trying to go to silent for.
My name is Princess Gloria Akobundu, the National Coordinator and Chief Executive of African Union Development Agency, NEPAD Nigeria.
All right, madam, let's know why we're here.
Yes, we're here to complement the development stride of His Excellency Ezenwo Wike of the Executive Governor of Rivers State. He has done very, very well in terms of governance, development, and economic growth. And looking at His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari's zero hunger policy in line with African Union Agenda 2063 policy that African Union Development Agency NEPAD is driving to consolidate food security in Nigeria. We're here to complement his very great efforts in terms of food security and climate change, including Afri 100 projects in Nigeria, basically Rivers State. Looking at the enormous development and the green nature, the productivity of the state, it will be a very good place to ensure that there is food security, because the Rivers State is one of the major economic states in our dear country, Nigeria. And looking at the inflows of people from across the world and the population in Rivers State, and being a proactive governor who is also determined to develop his state and give his people the best, in extension growing the GDP and the economy of Nigeria. We're so proud to be here to partner with him on the implementation of innovative strengthening of smallholder farmers project, which is designed by the African Union under the Agenda 2063 and the agricultural revolution policy of His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari to cushion hunger, create jobs, mechanize agriculture, most importantly, amid COVID-19 and the global challenges that the world is facing today. So it's a successful meeting. He's ever ready to do the best, not just for the state, but for the country at large. And we're proud to meet him, and we're very successful with our meeting. Thank you.
Talking about agriculture, you talked about food security and agriculture. Which specifically are you want to partner? I hope Nepal is plan to partner with you.
Innovative strengthening of smallholder farmers is a project designed to cushion hunger, create jobs, more or less like back to ground, like President Muhammadu Buhari declared in his administration. So we're here to ensure that Rivers State is not left out from implementing this said project in line with the African Union Agenda 2063 on zero hunger policy. Thank you.